Hey everyone, maybe one of you could help me out with this. So I have a PS4. I was working for a couple of days. Then it seems like something happened, not sure what. And just had a blank screen, tried different HDMI cables, different TVs and whatnot. We're just getting a blank screen. Replaced the HDMI port. Then I was actually starting to get something on the screen. Whenever I had to, for example, reinitialize the system or get into safe mode, I'd actually have visual of something, of the menus and all that. But once I would set everything to default factory settings or rebuild database or anything like that, the PS4 would come up and then I would just get this snowy screen. So it's a weird issue, and now what I'm getting is pretty much a white screen. Not snow, a white screen, but now I just get a snowy screen after I did a recent reinstallation of the firmware 2.02. I pretty much would get that screen that you just saw, snowy white, and now it's trying to do something, not sure what, but it's restarting itself, or not sure what it's doing. It's doing something. Maybe we'll get see, there you go. So now I get this